Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the world of PC gaming with a closer look at the UtechSmart Venus gaming mouse. If you're into MMOs, this might just be the ultimate tool for you. Let's delve into what makes this mouse stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk precision. The UtechSmart Venus boasts an impressive 16,400 dpi high-precision laser sensor, making every movement smooth and accurate. Whether you're navigating through a virtual battlefield or executing intricate maneuvers in your favorite MMO, this mouse has got you covered. But it's not just about performance, it's also about style. With customizable RGB lighting and 16 million color options, you can personalize your setup to match your mood or aesthetic. Plus, with 12 programmable side buttons, you'll have all your macros and commands right at your fingertips. Comfort is key during those marathon gaming sessions. And the UtechSmart Venus doesn't disappoint. Its ergonomic design fits snugly in your hand, while the textured grip ensures a firm hold, even during the most intense gameplay. But don't just take my word for it. Gamers everywhere are singing the praises of the UtechSmart Venus. From its customizable features to its solid build quality, it's quickly becoming a favorite among MMO enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. The UtechSmart Venus gaming mouse, the ultimate companion for MMO gaming on PC. If you're ready to take your gameplay to the next level, look no further. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming.